Are you struggling to locate the fuse box in your 2025 Ford E-350? In this guide, we'll answer these important questions and explain everything you need to know about the fuse box location and its diagram to keep your vehicle's electrical system running smoothly. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2025 Ford E-350 houses essential fuses for critical components like the engine and lighting systems. It features a durable, weather-resistant cover to protect against moisture and dust. Clear labeling on the fuse diagram ensures easy identification and troubleshooting. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2025 Ford E-350 controls interior functions such as power windows, radio, and interior lighting. It features a compact design for easy access beneath the dashboard. Each fuse is clearly labeled, making it simple to locate and replace fuses when needed. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse, glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse, ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse, PAL fuse, low-profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse, fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.